Firstly, we are going to remove the original pop rivet plugs by either pushing the pin through or using a flathead screwdriver. We are then going to slide the arch guard up behind the arch liner. Using the new pop rivet plugs, we are going to put them into position, and to secure the pop rivets and the arch guards in place, we are going to push the pins through the pop rivet holes using a flathead screwdriver or any flat surface. The arch guards are adjustable and can be moved in and outward for your desired fitment. BMW G22 and G23 4 Series rear arch guards installed. There are two original mounting hole locations in the rear arch liner. We have already removed the two little screws. With the carbon arch guards and the ABS arch guards that we offer, you will receive new hardware. The longer screws and nylon spacers are to be used on the top rear holes, and the shorter on the lower rear holes. You may have to jack up the vehicle ever so slightly. The wheel does not need to come off. This assists with arch clearance and allows you to get into the arch a little easier if you do not have a super small finger ratchet. Let's get them fitted up. And those are the arch guards all fitted up on the 4 Series. Longer spaces on the top, shorter spaces on the bottom. Arch guards are adjustable for customers' desired fitment, can be slid in and out before you fully tighten them up.